Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of the Made from Scratch tutorials. This is DJ Andy and today I'm showing you one of my personal combos using Tazer scratches. Check it out. The big difference between a laser scratch and another technique is the movement on a vinyl, as you need to push and bring back the record in a very specific way. Check it out. Okay, this was the first step. What I'm gonna do right now is add 4 clicks after I push the record forward. Check it out. So basic movement and 4 clicks once again. All right, one more time. Last time. And a few times in a row. Adding some speed. Now that's the pattern. One extra tip to bring some variation is to do it 2 times in a row with 4 clicks and 1 time with 2 clicks. And now a bit faster. Right, let me show you on a beat right now.